Cleaning your refrigerator condenser coils every month is essential for maintenance. Refrigerator coils accumulate a coating of dust over time, which makes your unit work harder. If your refrigerator isn't getting as cold as it should, or if it's using too much electricity, it's probably time to clean your coils. Begin by unplugging your refrigerator and make sure the door is shut to keep food at the proper temperature. Use a screwdriver to remove the grill. Once removed, use a coil brush to thoroughly clean the coils. Use the crevice attachment on a vacuum cleaner to remove any extra dust or debris. When cleaning the coils, be sure to follow the direction of the fins with the coil brush and vacuum, rather than going against it. This helps ensure that you will not bend the fins on the coils. Once the coils are clean, reinstall the grill. By taking the time to clean the coils in your unit, you can decrease energy costs and increase the longevity of your refrigerator.